Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Iris KashFlow account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or disconnect your Stripe account from your KashFlow account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Stripe account from your KashFlow account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business accepting payments directly in the invoice, you know that sometimes Stripe can put your payments on hold, so maybe you don't want to use them as a payment processor. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your KashFlow dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my KashFlow account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink or disconnect your Stripe account, you need to click on your initials up here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click your account settings. All right, once you click there, you're going to see a lot of different options, but in order to disconnect your Stripe account, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see this credit card logo. Here it says receiving payments. Go ahead and click on there. All right, once you click there, you're going to look for the Stripe logo right here. You can see this is my payment default. However, in order to unlink your Stripe account, you're going to click on settings. Okay, once you click on there, you're going to see the settings for your Stripe account. And in order to unlink it, click on this disconnect button here at the bottom. All right, once you do that, you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to disconnect your Stripe account? Click on OK. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes and you'll see a little yellow pop-up confirming that you removed your Stripe account from your KashFlow account. So now my customers can no longer pay their invoices directly through the invoice using Stripe unless I reconnect it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Stripe account to your KashFlow account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.